You pick up your phone, look at it, and it unlocks instantly. No password, no typing, just your face. Or maybe just your fingerprint. It feels almost like magic. But here's the real question. If someone gets your phone, why can't they just use your face or fingerprint too? What actually makes biometric security secure? Let's break it down. Biometrics means using your body as your identity. Instead of something, like a password, it uses something you are. This includes your fingerprint, your face, your eyes. These features are unique to every person. No two fingerprints are exactly the same, and even identical twins have small differences in facial structure. That's what makes biometrics powerful. When you first set up Fingerprint ID, your phone scans your fingerprint and creates a digital template. It doesn't store an image of your fingerprint. Instead, it stores a mathematical pattern of the ridges and lines. Later, when you touch the sensor again, the phone scans your fingerprint and compares it to the stored template. If the patterns match closely enough, the device unlocks. Face ID is more advanced than just taking a picture. It uses sensors to project thousands of invisible dots onto your face. This creates a 3D map of your facial structure. Your phone then stores a mathematical version of this model. When you look at your phone again, it scans your face and compares it to the stored model. That's why it works even in the dark, and is harder to fool with just a photo. Biometric data is stored securely inside your device. Most modern phones use a special secure chip. Your fingerprint or face data never leaves your phone. It's also encrypted, which means even if someone gets access to the data, they can't easily read it. This is what keeps biometric systems safe. Biometrics are secure, but not perfect. In some cases, attackers try to use fake fingerprints, high-quality photos, or 3D masks. But modern systems include protections like detecting real skin, checking depth and movement, requiring attention like open eyes. So while it's not impossible to trick, it's extremely difficult in real-world situations. The funny part? Biometric systems are so advanced that sometimes they fail on the actual owner. Like when you try to unlock your phone in the morning, and it's like, sorry, I don't know who you are. Apparently, even your phone needs you to look presentable. So here's the big idea. Biometric systems use your unique physical features, like your fingerprint or your face, to identify you. They don't store images. They store secure mathematical patterns. Every time you unlock your device, it scans, compares, and verifies. And because all of this happens inside your device, your data stays protected. That's why biometrics are both fast and secure. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more simple tech and engineering explanations. And don't forget to like and share the video. And next, we'll explore how your data is encrypted when you browse the internet. See you in the next video.